Hello, what's up? Welcome once again to my vlog, Boryong TV. Yes, maraming gabi Magandang gabi po sa lahat. By the way, for today's video, I'll be making a push-up, pampalaki ng muscle, pampalaki ng katawan po. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Boryong TV, BORYONG. Click subscribe and then click the notification bell para updated po sa mga susunod kong video. Okay, let's go! Alright, ito na po, It's a foldable push-up board, Foldable push-up board. Nabibili ko po online. At marami din po ito, sa Shopee, Lazada, at sa mga online stores, Marami po ito. It's a foldable push-up board. So, ito po yung laman niya, guys. Okay? Ito po yung laman niya. Yes, as you can see, marami po. Pwede po sa back, shoulder, triceps, at saka chest. Okay? 15 exercise po. Yung pwede magagawa. 15 push-up, Sa different, pwede sa triceps, sa back, shoulder, at saka sa chest po. So, come on! Let's go! So, first push-up po, yung gagawin natin is for the back. Okay? So, dito po sa green area. Okay? Ano lang po, kasi galing ako nag-exercise. So, 12 or 15, hanggang sa makakaya. So, it's for the back. Tingnan natin kung kaya pa ba. Okay? Go! 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 12 lang muna. Kasi galing ako kanina, 25. Okay? That's for the back. And the next is for the shoulder. Itong kulay blue. Shoulder. Okay? 12 lang din po, Kaya ko ngayon is only 12. Shoulder. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, hinga muna. Cheese, okay? Ano? Saya, dughan. 12 lang. 12 yung kaya. Ay. Yellow. Okay, triceps. Okay, for the last part, I'll be doing push-up. So, push-up for triceps. So, okay, for triceps. Come on, let's go. Alright, so ito po, Yun po yung nagagawa ng push-up board na ito. So, it's a foldable. Pwede matanggal to. Saglit. Okay. Yeah, pwede matanggal. And of course, pwede niyo pong bit-bitin, kahit saan gusto niyo pumunta. So, yung mabibili niyo po again, and online, sa Lazada, sa Shopee, or any online store, nagbibili niyo po. Search niyo lang push-up board. It's a foldable push-up board, mga igay. So if you like the video, don't forget to like. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe. And then click the notification bell. Okay? Sige po, maraming salamat po and see you sa susunod na video. Bye-bye!